Today we are going to briefly discuss how to use top-down viewer to view results from a TD portal search. Before we begin, you will need a top-down report file that is generated from TD Portal. Please note that to view an in-depth tutorial on TD Portal, you can visit nrtdp.northwestern.edu/tutorials. Okay, let's begin. First, you will open your TD report file. You will be directed to the Setup page. To ensure your TD report includes all the raw files you searched, check beneath the Data Files and Categorization subheading. Next, you will navigate to the Proteins view. One final output of searching in top-down proteomics is a set of identified proteins. Each identified protein maps to a unique accession number in the UniPro knowledge base. Next to each protein's accession and corresponding description, you will see three boxes representing the biomarker, tight absolute mass, and unexpected modification searches. The green colors of these boxes range from bright to dark green based on how good the results were for each of these searches. Each protein is also assigned a Q value, a statistical metric obtained from a procedure to determine a global false discovery rate. If we click on one of the proteins, you can see the proteoforms and sequence coverage for each protein entry hit. By default, TDViewer shows the proteoforms representative of the best hit. You can also view the spectra and see the hit metadata, theoretical observed and delta masses, ion counts, and scores for the proteoforms. Another final output of searching in top-down proteomics is a set of identified proteoforms. By default, TDViewer displays all the scores for the best hit for a given proteoform. Like in the Proteins tab, here you can see all of the hits and their corresponding spectra, hit metadata, mass, ion counts, and scores. Each proteoform is also assigned a C-score as a metric of the quality of its characterization. If we click on the Data Files view, you will see all the hits for a given data file. This enables you to look at the proteoforms in different scans. If you click on the Compare view, you can compare and contrast the relevant entries and counts for your biomarker, tight absolute mass, and/or unexpected modification searches. Finally, if you click on the Reports view, you will be able to download Excel file reports of the isoforms, proteoforms, hits, protein entries by data file, and proteoforms by data file.